Day 35. And today brought one of the softest little moments in our tiny story. After staying close to the kittens, the tiny chicks looked calmer and calmer. The whole scene felt gentle, quiet, and unexpectedly sweet. They stayed so near the kittens that the moment slowly turned into something peaceful and unforgettable. Nothing felt loud, nothing felt rushed. It was just a soft little scene full of warmth, calm, and tiny hearts sharing the same peaceful space. That is what made Day 35 feel so special. A tiny moment, but one we will remember for a long time. And on Day 36, their tiny story continues.